In this lesson, we will be adding the code to grab the falling newspaper and place it into a bin. To start off, we're going to add in a new sprite. We'll click the blue bin, which is the paper recycling bin, and click Open. Now we'll grab the paper and position it at the bottom of the screen. Let's head back to the newspaper. We're going to head back to Control, and we're going to grab an if-then piece. We're going to place that underneath the change y by -1. In this piece, we're going to add an operator for AND. And inside that, we're going to add two sensing pieces. The first sensing piece will be the mouse down, and the second one will be the touching piece. In the touching piece, we're going to click on this little black arrow and click on Glove Open. This piece is going to tell Scratch that if our mouse is clicked and the paper is touching the hand, then it must go to the mouse pointer. To do that, we're going to head over to Motion and click on Go to Mouse Pointer. We'll place that inside the if piece. Let's test it out. We click the green flag, wait for the paper, and grab it. But it doesn't grab, it just moves away slightly. This is because of a small glitch in the Scratch program. You can only grab the paper if you are in full screen mode. So let's try it again. We'll click the green flag, wait for the newspaper, and now we can grab it. We've grabbed it and we can place it in the bin. But nothing happens when we place it in the bin. It just keeps falling. Let's stop our game and exit the full screen. We head back to the newspaper, and we're going to grab another if-then piece. So back in Control, if-then, we're going to head back to Operators, grab an AND piece, and we're going to head back to Sensing, another mouse down, and another touching piece. And we're going to click this little black arrow and click Glove Open. We're going to head back into Control, grab one more if-then piece and place it inside this. And we're going to go back to Sensing and click on Touching. Click this little arrow and we'll click Paper Bin. Now we're telling Scratch that if the mouse is down and we are touching the open glove, and if it's touching the paper bin as well, then we are going to do something else. And what we are going to do is make a duplicate of this if section. So let's head back to Motion. We'll grab a Go To piece, place it inside, go back to Operators, grab a Pick Random. The first figure will change to -240, and the second figure will change to 240, and the last one will be 180. Next, we'll head back to Looks and we'll click Hide. We're gonna make it wait for a few seconds, so we'll grab Wait, head back to Operators, pick Random, 1 to 5, go back to Looks and click Show. And finally, the last piece will be motion and change y by -1. Let's test our game out. We click the green flag, wait for the paper. Remember, we have to be in full screen. So now we can grab it and the paper is gone. Grab it again, place it in the bin. The final thing we're going to add to our paper is a score system. To do this, we're going to head over to the Data tab, click on Make a Variable. We'll give the variable a name of score, and we'll click on For All Sprites and click OK. Now you can see on the top left corner we have a score system. So we're going to grab a change score by -1 or by 1 and place it inside the if touching paper bin. And we're going to grab a set score to 0 and place it right on top underneath the when flag clicked. So this will reset the score to 0 every time the game starts, and this piece will change the score by 1 every time we add a paper into the bin. Let's test it out. Grab the paper into the bin. We get a score. Grab it again, put it into the bin, and everything works well.
Thank you for watching this lesson. If you're interested in doing more awesome courses like this one, check out our website. Link is in the description below.